Welcome. In this video, I will be sharing with you how to use numerology to improve your romantic relationship. Before we get started, if you would like to know your life path, soul urge, and destiny numbers, I will leave the link in the description below. Try and check it out, now that it is free. Thanks. When it comes to romantic partners, most of us want to be with someone who is just like us. Although we don't seek people exactly the same as us, we want to be with someone who shares a lot of similarities with us. However, this is not how the universe works. I'm pretty sure you have been drawn to people who are exactly your opposite. In fact, some of you may even be with someone who's the exact opposite of you. And there's nothing wrong with that. You see, you are drawn to people who have qualities that will bring balance in your life. That's how it works. The key to making relationships work is to understand your partner. And one of the most effective ways to do that is through numerology. Numerology, which is a divinatory practice just like tarot and astrology, will provide you with insights into your relationship. You can learn a lot from it when it comes to matters of the heart. Find out your partner's life path number. What is your partner's life path number? This will help you determine what you and your partner need to make a relationship work. If your partner is not into numerology or you simply want to do this on your own, you can easily find out their life path number through a simple calculation. Add the numbers of your partner's birthday. I will leave an example of how you calculate your partner's life path number in the description, so you can uncover the meaning behind your partner's life path number. Now that you have your partner's life path number, it's time to know what it means and what they need. Life Path 1 people who have the Life Path 1 are the ones who are dominating. They love taking charge, which means they don't like to be told what to do. These are the type of people who don't respond well to those who want to change them. They are very independent and they want to be able to have their own lives even when in a relationship. So, if you're kind of controlling, then this might not work. Also, people who have this life path number wants things to be straightforward. Don't beat around the bush. If you want to tell them something or if something's bothering you, tell them right away. They don't like mind games at all. Life Path 2 have you met people who are just always in relationships? Well, here they are and they are the ones with a Life Path 2. These people just always want to be with somebody, it's as if they live for it. However, they also need their alone time. People who fall under this life path are very sensitive to the needs and feelings of others. You can count on them to always make you feel loved and cared for. In turn, they want the same from a partner. So, if your partner has this life path number, they want to see how much you love and care for them through words and actions, as much as you can. Life Path 3 people who have Life Path 3 are the ones who feel things so deeply. They are very sensitive to the emotions of others. You can easily spot them as the person who loves to socialize and can just make anyone feel at home. They are social creatures who love to have fun. They are positive people and you can count on them to always look on the bright side. And they love to talk. But they can make you guess how they feel simply because they expect that people are as emotionally sensitive as them. Despite their optimism, they appreciate being asked how they're doing. Also, they're not really open books, so if you want to make it work, you have to dig deeper to know what they're feeling inside. Life Path 4 people who have Life Path 4 are loyal and strong. They're family people and they're always up to protect their loved ones. Generally, they are good providers and they're happy when they get to do things for you. In fact, for them, it's more important that they get to take care of you instead of the other way around. They are practical and grounded. People with this life path number enjoy the material things in this world. However, they're the most logical people in the world, so, if you're looking for someone to be spontaneous with, I don't think it's this person. Life Path 5 call them adventurous. People who have Life Path 5 loves to have fun. And you can look forward to fun times with them. They love new and exciting things. You'll find them always seeking to learn more and exploring new things. However, for someone as fun-loving and adventurous as them, you might find it a bit of a challenge to have them commit to a relationship. But once you're able to make them commit, they make the most loyal partners just as long as you let them do their thing. Life Path 6 people with this life path enjoys being with a partner. They are the nurturers and they're very sensitive to their environment. They enjoy harmony and they're empaths. In fact, you don't need to say anything because most of the time, they probably know already what you're feeling. And because of this, they don't respond well to negative feedback because they take things a little bit too personally. Since they're the nurturers, they find it hard to ask their partners for help because they are so used to being the responsible one. Life Path 7. If you're looking for a beautiful soul that will immerse you in deep and meaningful conversations, then you have them right here. I'd like to say they are the modern world's philosophers because they always seek the deeper meanings of life. Most of the time, they emit this captivating energy that just draws people to them. They are very in touch with the energies around them. So, they can smell what you're feeling from a mile away. They are highly intuitive, as if they can see right through your soul. And because of this often leads to paranoia. People who have this life path number often fear the worst and expect it too. And sometimes, they focus so hard on it that they attract it too. So, watch out for this. Life Path 8. Life with people who have this life path will be exciting and super fun, thanks to their charisma. Their energy is larger than life and everything they do is just grand. 8 is a money number, so you can expect people with this life path to have energies that often revolve around wealth. However, many of them struggle with money. In relationships, they often keep their feelings bottled up and resent their partner for it. That's why it's important that you talk to them about their feelings and don't let them lock them all up. Also, people with a life path number usually have a sharp tongue. So, if you're easily offended, then you might want to steer away from this one. But if you appreciate ugly truths and whatnot, you can count on this person to tell it to you straight up. Life Path 9. They are the old souls. They are sensitive and they are highly tuned into their intuition. People with this life path number wants to make the world a better place. They're all for humanity. They are the ones who adopt pets, pick up trash on the beach, etc. In relationships, most of them have family issues. So, you better be mindful of them. It's as if they try to connect everything in their lives to their families and how they grew up. They have a fear of rejection, so don't be surprised if they push you away. I hope the information in the video resonated with you and helped you be more aware of who you and your partner are. It is important to remember that life path number is only about an overall strategy in life. There are other numbers in your personal numerology birth chart that influence the quality of your life script. Numerology birth chart reading can be a great source of personal insights on the road of your self-discovery. Your birth-given potential will not fulfill itself until you discover it, embrace it and invest your energy to fully realize it. You will be amazed at the shockingly accurate and revealing information that can be deciphered from nothing more than your name and date of birth. I was actually feeling lost, but this free numerology reading helped me find my life's purpose. For those that are lost, you can check out the free reading in the description. I hope it helps someone. I have the link for you to get a free video reading now. Make sure you check it out as soon as possible, before you will have to pay for it. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification button, so you get the notification anytime there is a new video from me. You can also follow me on any of my social media account in the description. Thanks.